Alright, now I got another 40 minutes and hopefully we'll be done by the end of it. Oh, look. Fucking good. Pickup trucks. 86 C10. 1986. If you want to do this, 57. Should be a 57. 57 Chevy 3100. Made out of the Bel Air, I'm guessing. Oh, Cummins. Is that Cummins swap? Is that just a regular? Oh, it's just a regular inline 6. Oh my god. No Cummins swap here. Hasira. 1500. 380. 385. Oh. Alright, next truck, 48. Ford F-150. Or F1. It wouldn't have been F-150, but. Alright, well then we'll go soon. You want to leave? See, this is clean. $289. Ford F-100. Ooh, got some pictures over there. Another inline 6 truck. Got 64 GMC. Wow. 250. It should be 230. Oh. Okay, so this is very base model. This ain't even 250. Which I ain't complaining about. I'd like to see our base models around here. Too many people have LS swaps like this. But I'm not saying this ain't a bad truck. I'm just saying way too many people do it. 80, no, 51, 3100. Trying to. Pedal van. That's it. Yeah. On the way back through. Should be 58. If it has 2 rounds. Nope, 59. Okay. It's a year off. But it's not bad. At least it ain't 57. 57 is what this should be. Back into the shenanigans we go. Alright. 1989 Chevrolet S10. Chevy S10. We're gonna speed run through these trucks. 79 F-150. Alright. Should be a Suburban. 70 Suburban. Actually, let's see how. Sure you can fit a school bus in here though. 69 C10.
Hi, how are you?
Nope, 72 C10, straight 6. Alright, we got like a 69 coming swap. Should be. Yep. Nope, 71. Alright, I was 100%.
Make it go, make it stop. Push your way right through. But there is no
61. Chips. Pick up.
I got a buddy who's going out of Hampton.
Also, I'm going to check out some of the pedestrian cars because some of those couldn't make it to the meet, and so they're just registered. This should be like a 70s C10. So shouldn't this, and so shouldn't that. That should be 80s. 380 GMCs. I'm going to just do a quick thing. Yeah. Right there. Right there. 66 C10. Famously, you see this, I think it's 66 or 65. See, it's a Need for Speed Heat. I know you can engine swap this because that's what I did. Ran a little race truck. C10. So we're popping off. Track pop. Jeep. And BMW i8, which doesn't have it open. Engine will be in trunk. Yeah, you can see it back there. Kind of where it would be. But it's 2015. Otis Europa. Pretty cool because they had when they won the World Championship. Oh, it's the Europa Special. Okay, word.
Yeah. So that one's already car's not
68. 1968 SS396, maybe.
Gotcha. I read it too quickly. I thought it was seafoam.
1969? Should be. I know.
Amazing. Tucked away. Might be twice a year. Drive as much?
77. To be 77 fiber and 78 fiber. 79 fiber. 2010. Yep, 2010. 67 Camaro. How do you tell 67 is 68? 67 has vent. 68 don't. That's probably. So that'd be 68. That's a 60. I don't know. I'm about to guess. Another 68 Camaro. 350. Look at that that die-cast. Another 68 Camaro SS.
You want a Gladiator?
I'm saying this now. This next car after I sell my Integra, this is what I'm getting. Getting a Firebird. I want Firebird. This should be 82, 83, yeah. 83. Mom had an 88 and I thought it was so awesome. Before she sold it, it had no floorboards in it, but yeah, this is a 1971 Camaro Z28. Oh, left the keys in the trunk. Also, for shits and giggles, look at that. That's a Subaru. Also, back 3? Nope, 1970. Here's the cricket show. For it. $17. Ford Mustang with the Coyote in it. Wow. Okay. I think this is the one. Or I'm just like, whoa. I've seen this guy around town. He has a very nice Civic. Very. What? Let's just say that. That's nothing else. I've seen this guy around town. Is this a manual? Oh, it is a manual. It is a manual. Okay, okay. Dirty, but you know what? If it ain't dirty, it ain't good. That's not a saying, but hopefully, maybe it will be. Alright. 2023 Dodge Challenger last call. Wow. Yeah, last. Ghost gray. That's what it looks like. Alright, let's see what we got. Look at that. 2023 Hellcat. 22 Hellcat. Okay, I was wrong.
So is it 500 at the crank out of the factory or 480?
I think it's 480.
At the prep.
Yeah.
So it's probably right around 420.
21 Challenger wide body.
And do you know what it weighs?
I'm not sure. I actually didn't check on that.
I bet it's around
15.
Start moving Alex, so it doesn't change the sun.
Awesome. Mustang.
All right, guys. Hey, nice talking.
Yeah, nice talking to you.
2011 check. 2019 Challenger Hellcat.
You gotta have a picture with the grin.
Oh boy, the General Lee's back. I've seen this guy at like a show. I always wondered. Oh, it's a superstar. That's it.
These are some of my favorite.
5-foot front though. Alright, if anybody don't know, Eddie Bauer's just like the seats and interior. They don't change nothing else. But hey, it don't matter, right? Also, C10. Also, look at that, 2010. Also, look at that, a 63 Impala. I might go actually over there. He has a hood pop, so let's go over there and see what the... Alright, Harley. Nothing much to look at. I want to look at this Impala because you don't know what's going to happen. Listen, this man maybe didn't make it into the show. So it's okay, 63 Impala. Oh, 63 Biscayne, I'm wrong. But it don't matter. Very beautiful Chevy. Also, this is what caught my eye. This should be 87 Chevy CSX GLHS. I believe. If I'm not wrong. Okay, it's not the GLHS. It's the CSX Chevy Turbo. So where's the turbo at? Oh. 72 GS. My dad had one of these. That's what he's telling me. Oh boy. Stage 1. 70 Nova. '71 Impala.
That's beautiful.
70 Pontiac. Tempest. Oh, Ram Air. Okay, so this is really a Ram Air. 72 AMC MX.
No, actually, this is actually a leftover vacuum from the grill system. So that's
74 Challenger? 73? Nope, 72, I'm wrong. 72 Dodge Charger. Not even a Challenger, Charger. Also other events, Pontiac over there. Ain't nothing cool else I see, but that's pretty cool. Also, we got like a big Cadillac. Nope, Mercury Grand Marquis. Nope, Chrysler New Yorker, I'm wrong. Before I got my Integra, my dad said, why don't you get something like this? Something like this. This thing. $79 for that. 64 Barracuda, these guys, or it could be 65. Yep, these guys are infamous for the rear window being like $1,000 just to replace. We got a Buick. Why? Is that Buick Wildcat? Nope, GS 400. '68 Chevelle. No vent window. 68. Actually, could be. Got him wrong at 69. Yeah. Mercury Cougar. Is it a Lemonator? Is it XR7? What could it be? It's a Cougar. I want the Eliminator version of it. 60s. Yes, it could be.
Oh, excuse me.
64? 62 it should be? Yeah. Seen these guys.